Chapter 2. The Indian Parliament. Introduction. We have studied that the Parliament plays an important role in parliamentary system of government. In this chapter, we will discuss the Parliament of India. The Constitution of India has created the Parliament of India. The legislature at the national level, that is, the level of the central government, is called the Parliament. It consists of the President and the two houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The President is an inseparable part of the Parliament. He or she cannot participate in the discussions in either of the house of the parliaments. Can you find out? The constituent states in India get seats on basis of their population. For the purpose of elections, the state is divided into territorial constituencies. The population of these territorial constituencies is approximately equal. Use the internet to find out the number of seats each constituent state has in the Lok Sabha. For example, Maharashtra, 48 seats. Gujarat, 26 seats. Madhya Pradesh, 29 seats. Goa, 2 seats. The two houses of the parliament are called the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Let's learn more about them. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower and the first house of the Parliament of India. Lok Sabha is the House of Representatives directly elected by the people. Hence, the Lok Sabha is called the first house. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by people from the territorial constituencies. The tenure of Lok Sabha is 5 years. The elections take place after every 5 years. These elections are known as general elections. However, there are examples when the Lok Sabha was dissolved before the completion of 5 years. Elections held in such a case are called mid-term elections. Lok Sabha is the representative body of the citizens of the country. As per the Constitution, there can be a maximum of 552 members in the Lok Sabha. To ensure equal representation to all sections of the community, some seats are reserved for members belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. In case there are no representatives from the Anglo-Indian community, the President can appoint 2 members from this community to the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha. The upper and the second House of Parliament is the Rajya Sabha. The members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected. As the name suggests, Rajya Sabha gives representation to 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Thus, members of Rajya Sabha work as representatives of the constituent states. The total membership of Rajya Sabha is 250 members. Among them, 238 members are elected from the constituent states and union territories. All the constituent states do not get equal representation in the Rajya Sabha. It is proportionate to the total population of each of the state. Remaining 12 members are appointed by the President. These members are usually experienced and distinguished personalities from the fields of literature, arts, science, sports, and social work. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected through the system of proportional representation.